Hey guys, I'm Dr. Ariele Foster, physical therapist and yoga teacher of yogaanatomyacademy.com. Today I'm bringing you a tip to loosen up your calves. This is a really great one for anyone who wants their heels to come down to the floor when you're in a deep squat or downward facing dog. Yoga goals, right? All you need is a block. Set it up in front of you. Reach your leg out and start to angle the block so you get the corner of the block into the middle of your calf. You're going to reach your hands behind you. Use your other leg on the floor to press down, lifting your hips, and start to get a little extra pressure into the meat of the middle of your calf musculature. You can either stay here and point and flex your foot, kind of gliding the muscle tissue underneath the skin inside of that zone of pressure, or you can turn in and out, what I call the beauty queen wave, turning your toes all the way out and in, getting to the inner fibers and the outer fibers of the calf. Definitely oscillation is a good thing. And you want to wiggle yourself a little bit further up and maybe a little further up still, and work your way all the way down into the lower part of the calf, not the really tendony, ropey area, but stay on the more meaty areas of the calf and spend at least 1 minute here, ideally maybe 2 minutes per side. This is a powerful thing to do between two downward facing dogs. So try out a downward facing dog, try this technique, try out a downward facing dog, and thank me later. I'll be bringing you more tips like this, but if you want to go really deep on the subject of self-myofascial release, please join us for the Yoga Journal online course, Fascia Release for Yoga.